What do you do when tenants don't pay rent in Illinois, Cook County, DuPage, or Will County? Dealing with unpaid rent is a major headache, but in Chicago area, one wrong move can set your eviction timeline back by months. Whether your property is in Cook, DuPage, or Will County, you need to act fast, but you need to act legally. Hi, I'm Steve Kuba with Keyrenter Naperville. We help landlords navigate the minefield of Illinois rental law that makes sure that you keep your business running smoothly. The 2026 year lease and new laws. First, let's look at the rules as of January 1st, 2026. And there are strict rules in Illinois. For example, grace periods. In Illinois, there is no state mandate grace period unless it's in your lease. However, if you're in suburban Cook County, the RTLO limits late fees to $10 per month for the first $1,000 of rent, plus a 5% for any amount over that. Don't overcharge or you'll lose in court. Number 2, send a friendly reminder. Before going to court, try a text or call. Sometimes in Naperville, Downers Road, Bolingbrook, or Romeoville, a tenant maybe simply just had a bank glitch. If it's a one-time thing, a friendly reminder can save you $300 filing fee. But if the grace period ends and they're still silent, it's time for the 5-day. Number 3, the Illinois 5-day notice, the deal breaker. In Illinois, you must serve a 5-day notice to pay or quit. This is where most landlords fail. What's in it? The exact rent owed. Do not include late fees or utilities in this total unless your lease specifically calls them additional rents. How to serve it? In all 3 counties, you must serve it personally to the tenant, to a household member of age 13 or older, or via certified mail with return receipt. Warning, sliding it under the door or just emailing it usually is not legally sufficient in Illinois courts. Number 4, filing Cook County versus DuPage and Will. If the 5 days pass and you don't have the money, you'll need to file an eviction complaint at the courthouse. The vibe changes on where you are. In Cook County, you're dealing with the Daily Center or municipal courts. Cook County is a very tenant-friendly area. You must attach the Cook County RTLO summary to your lease or notices, or the judge may toss your case. In DuPage and Will County, cases move slightly faster in Wheaton, DuPage, and Joliet Will, but they still require the 2026 court-based rental assistance notice to be served with the summons. The cost? Expect to pay between $250 to $400 just in filing and service fees. Number 5, the mediation loop. Expect mediation date first. Illinois judges prefer you and the tenant to work out a pay-to-stay agreement. If that fails, you'll head to trial. And if you win, you'll get an order of possession. Remember, only the sheriff can perform evictions. In Cook County, the sheriff's backlogs can be weeks, even months. Do not change the locks yourself. That's illegal lockout. And in Cook County, that can cost you 2 to 3 months of rent and penalties paid to the tenants. Handling evictions in Chicago area is stressful and legally dense. One typo on a 5-day notice can cost you 3 months of rent and a trip back to the starting line. It's like chutes and ladders. At Keyrenter Naperville, we handle the notices, we manage the court filings, the tenant communication for properties across Cook, DuPage, and Will counties. We ensure you stay compliant with the 2026 Illinois Eviction Act changes so you can stop chasing checks and start enjoying your investment. If you're stuck with non-paying tenants, give us a call at 630-687-8181 or visit us at KeyrenterNaperville.com. Let's get your unit back to being an asset, not a liability. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more Illinois landlord tips. Have questions about Cook County RTLO? Drop them in the comments below. Have you gone through an eviction? Tell us what you thought about it. Was it positive? Lessons learned? Drop it in the comments. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Illinois law is subject to change. Always consult with a licensed attorney for your specific case. And remember, at Keyrenter Naperville, we're changing lives one property at a time. And don't forget, subscribe below, like us,